Hi, my name is Sheila Holiday, and I'm going to do the last final enhancement. We're going to look at, be able to see the reviews on each vehicle, and as a client, you should be able to edit and delete them. So we're going to go first into look at a car, and we're going to look at the mechanic special, and we can see that it pulls the username the way that it should, and you can write your review in here and hit submit, and then you have 2 reviews that are here, and we're gonna give a new one to it. It's a pretty junky car broke down the first week. Don't buy. Okay, submit. It has been added. Okay, we are gonna go back in and look at the car again, and our review is right here. So that part works. Now I'm gonna log out and log in again as the client to be able to edit and delete my reviews when I need to. Okay. Okay. Looks like we have a few. Validate this page. This is a new page. It's good. This one, CSS. It's good. Okay, we want to edit this one. We're just going to take this off and update. And it says your review has been updated. Well, we decided we didn't want to take that part off. We want to take the whole thing. So we're going to hit delete, and it saved what we updated because it took off the last part. Do you want to delete this review? Let's validate this page real quick. Oh, awesome. We got some errors. An open main and an unclosed form. That sounds about right. What page is that? I made this page really fast, that's why. We want... Please go out, Zeke. Remember how we just had to talk about how I'm trying to record? I know. Okay. My form. Okay. Gonna click that. Update the page. Let's validate again. And now we're good. We just forgot that one little closing tag. So, you're good on this one. Can't remember if I did CSS.
I see that fish.
And then that one is fine. Now we are going to delete it. And right here it says your review was successfully deleted, and it no longer shows here. So I believe that's pretty close to everything that I got to show you, and thank you so much for this semester and giving me just a little bit more time to try to complete this. Thank you.